I'm going to show you how to stake your ICP in the network nervous system today at nns.internetcomputer.org. Now, this does not include the SNS tokens, which you need to use the legacy one if you want to get into those. This is just ICP. I'll explain the different lengths of staking time and help you see how to get the best APR on it. Nice, price is $3.35 now. Let's go. So first off, let's look at how the different lengths of staking impact it. So right now, if you stake for 2 weeks, which is the minimum, you don't get much of an age bonus. But if you stake for 2 years, you get a 200% age bonus. So right now, the minimum is to stake for 2 weeks. So to me, the basic two options are to stake for 2 weeks or 2 years. If you want them, obviously you can do somewhere in between, but if you want the easiest liquidity, 2 weeks. And if you want the maximum rewards, 2 years. Now, what's cool about staking in ICP is the potential for these rewards to earn on unrealized capital gains. So let's say I'm right about ICP and nothing I've ever said is financial advice, and it just goes up to $100 from where it's at like 3 today. Well, then you're getting this APR multiplied by 30 compared to the price today. So that's pretty sweet. So let's look over. I've got a silly setup right now where I am getting 8.39% because of my 8-year gang. And you can see the Neuron here. So I'll click in my Neuron. You can see which Neuron I've got here. Well, it gives you the basic details. And then you can go to your voting neurons on the left. This is my known Neuron. I've got 654 maturity already locked in it, and then I spawn the rest so I can dump it if I want to whenever the price goes high. You can compound your maturity. We'll get into that in a second, one thing at a time, all right? So these are my existing neurons, and this one this was converted from an 8-year gang, so I get a bonus interest rate. This one's locked for 2 years, and I just leave it locked. This was created on June 9th, 2023, and I just let it sit there and continue to earn maturity. And I spawn the maturity on it whenever I see that the maturity modulation is 100 or higher, especially if it's trending up. Then I spawn the maturity so I can sit on that and have it liquid. Now what we're going to do is create a new neuron and show you how to do that. So how much liquid do I have over here? So I got 2,395 ICP liquid. And I want a neuron with, let's add, there's my address right there. Let me click create a neuron. We'll do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right. And then we're just going to lock this 2 weeks so that I can actually get some interest on it. This is close to liquid, but this will be earning some interest. And we'll put it for just 2 weeks right now. Now notice the lock period can only be increased. It can never be decreased. You have to dissolve it and you get the max rewards at 2 years. Now at 3 months, you get 2.27. And at 2 weeks, you get 2.21. So, it doesn't really go up much. Even a year only gets you 1 more percent, but 2 years gets you, much higher up there. So to me, it's either 2 weeks or 2 years. So I already have 2 years locked on 3,000 ICP. I'm going to lock this. Now, since I have maturity, the expected maturity is 2%. Now, the question is here, do I want it compounded? So what I'm going to do with the rewards on this is auto lock the rewards. I'm doing the opposite on my main neuron, although I may consider compounding the maturity there, but I like having some liquid, so if we get a temporary pump, I can sell some without touching my principal. So what you can do on this screen, and man, they've improved this interface since the last one. The last one was rough. This is so much better. So right now, the basic choices are to auto lock the rewards. Now for 2 weeks, this is definitely the thing to do. You just keep putting the maturity on top of the existing maturity and compound it. Meanwhile, there's no point in having the rewards unlocked where you can spawn them because it takes 7 days to spawn your new rewards anyway. So you might as well compound the maturity here. And then when you unlock the whole thing or dissolve the whole thing, then you'll get the maturity with the initial ICP. Now, the initial state, you can either put it locked or unlocking. However, since it's a 2-week delay, you'll notice the expected maturity goes down to nothing. Now, if you put this at 2 years, so another strategy you could do will be to lock this for 2 years. And then what you do is click on unlocking, and then the maturity, it will just trend. You could auto lock the maturity to compound it a little bit more or get the maturity unlocked as well. But you could start it at 2 years and then begin the countdown immediately. Or And that's a way you could get a much higher interest and have it back in a fixed time. But I already have the 2 years on my other one, so I don't need that. So we're going to auto lock this and then lock it. So this will stay locked until I unlock it, and it will compound the rewards. So once we click on create, now I've got my neuron, and this is final. So if I had to put 2 years right there, it's final. Like as soon as it creates the neuron, it's locked up. There's no going back without trying to sell your account. And in most cases, you don't want to sell your account. In most cases, it'd be better, especially now that you don't have to stake for 8 years, it'd be better to just do it right the first time. And if you want help with all this, you can go to jerrybanfield.com and I can set this up with you in real time and talk through each of these details. You go to jerrybanfield.com, click on book a call and pick a time. I often will have one same day or within a few days. We can even record the call if you want something, that I could potentially publish. And if you want ongoing calls, these are 30-minute calls. This is the cheapest it's been in forever. So I invite you, if you want help with this, just pop in for a quick call and share your screen on your computer and we'll talk about all this. So now let's continue with the details of this. So now instead of this ICP sitting here doing nothing, this will now give me an extra 20 ICP a year, which at $3, I don't really give a shit about $60 a year, but if we get a nice pump at some point, this will stop me from dumping everything immediately prematurely. Oh, and it also will give me the 2% on it. Like let's say ICP shoots up to $20. Well, then that 2% turns into like $1,000 extra dollars. If I did that math correct, if it was like $60 a year now. No, I didn't quite. Did I do that math correct? It's $60 a year in interest right now on this much. You know what? Fuck math. Now I got to get this math. I'm not using a calculator. If the price goes up, let's say 5x from where it's at today, then I'd get $300 a year. You know what? That's enough to pay for Netflix or some other shit. I don't have Netflix anyway. That's enough to pay for me to keep trying to date on Hinge with Hinge Premium, which if you want to hear more about that, brand new Jerry Banfield dating channel. Much love to the 8 subscribers on there. So now we've got this right here. And it gives me I can do various things from here. So if I top up this neuron, it will decrease the age bonus. For example, if I go over to this older neuron and I try and top this one up, then that will screw up my age bonus based on how long this one has been locked. So I don't want to do a new neuron. And I can just, if I click on start dissolving on this old one, I'll have everything, including the maturity and the principal, in 2 years. I can't increase the delay on this one, but if I wanted to, on the one I just created, I could go over to click increase delay. And if I put it to 2 years, if I clicked confirm change, that would be locked for 2 years and there's no going back. So just take this slow. I'm going to take it slow. And if I click over here on this older neuron, if I click disperse maturity, now this will then take my maturity that I've earned if you set it to unlock, not if you auto lock it like the other one. So this one is auto locked, the new one, because it might as well put the tiny amount of maturity I get in there and just compound it because it's only 2 weeks. It's only locked 14 days, but this one's locked 2 years. So if I would have just compounded the maturity, that would have been better. And then it's a taxable event when you spawn it. But then if you leave it and let it sit for over a year, you can pay long-term capital gains if it pumps all of a sudden. And I've got enough locked up. I'd rather just have some more liquid. But with this one, this is auto-locked. If I want to disperse the maturity, I click disperse, and then I click disperse one more time, and that'll disperse it. It takes a week, and then it sends it to your main account. Now, keep in mind, your maturity will be modulated at this. So always go to the internet computer, the dashboard.internetcomputer.org/governance, which is directly up here, and then you click network nervous system. Always check this to check the maturity modulation, because if you can pop off your maturity when it's 104, every 100 mature you'll get 105 ICP or whatever, 104. But if you pop it off down here at 95 piece ICP, you'll be like, damn it, I'm a dummy, bitch. You'll be like, no, I lost potentially 10 ICP. But that's not a big deal. But you need to pay attention to this maturity modulation chart before you disperse your maturity, unless it's just like, 1 or 2 ICP, in which case, why are you dispersing $3 to $5 at once anyway? But especially if you're doing larger amounts at once, watch this maturity modulation and notice it tends to trend up and trend down like this. And it takes a week from when you get it. So when you start seeing it trend up like this, then you disperse it and try and catch it at the top right there. If you're just nickel and diming your ICP, then you could do it like that. Now, I shouldn't have saved this till this point in the video, but I did it this way. I've missed a very important thing here, is that I manually have to vote on proposals with both of these neurons in order to actually earn rewards. So in order to actually, anyone who didn't keep watching to this point and was like, "Yeah, he's swearing again," they left. Well, you missed the most important part to actually earn rewards. So you need to actually vote on proposals. And there's two ways to do that. So one way you can do that is to manually vote yourself. The other is you can be a lazy fuck and just have somebody else and follow them and not even pay a percentage. Dominic suggested we have where you pay a percentage to the person you're following for them doing the voting, but nah, people couldn't even be bothered to give me 1% of all the people following me. So you can just follow me and my account votes and I follow Lorimer, so really he should get it. But here's what you need to do. So you need to set up your following on the voting page. So you go to vote for proposals, and I have a known neuron up here. So you go to vote for proposals, and you know, I'm like, what? This new version, I don't even know where the hell did they put the following? Because I got this one here, automatic voting. Here, manage known neuron. Here we go. So we click manage known neuron, but you scroll down to set Jerry Banfield. Now I'm following Lorimer. I'm following Lorimer on mine. And what happened to Jerry Banfield? There's Jerry Banfield. All right. So that is the simple way to set it. Literally the first time I've ever done this in this new interface. So you click on manage known neuron to make sure you're following. Then you're going to click on Jerry Banfield and then just delegate all your voting to me and trust that I'm getting it done. And then I delegate it to someone else and trust that they're getting it done. That's a great system, isn't it? So I'm going to click cancel though, because I want to go down to the details. So you can see the details here. You can follow for votes by Jerry Banfield. And what I've done is I've followed Lorimer on my main neuron. Now, right now, the issue with this is that I already am following Lorimer on one neuron. And if I follow myself, that's not going to work either. So I'm actually going to go into the old NNS and manually set all this shit up because I don't want to automatically follow everybody. But you can just click manage known neurons and that will follow everybody for you. And if you want to do it more detailed, you can go into the old NNS. But I recommend for simplicity, just follow me, because I'm always keeping on top and making sure I've got my rewards. And if I want to manually vote or change to somebody besides Lorimer, then I do that. You can follow DFINITY Foundation if you want, but they don't vote on everything. So if you don't vote on everything, you will miss your maximum rewards. You can follow Neuron. They have they vote, you know, they have an SNS that votes on every proposal vote. So that's something you can do also. But once you follow, then you need to understand that once you've followed somebody, you can only start voting on new proposals. So you can't vote on proposals that were made a few days ago. And then once the proposals are made, it takes a few days to get rewards. So once I set this up, I shouldn't expect any rewards for at least like a week, because a new proposal needs to be made, it needs to be fully voted on, and then I need to get my maturity from there. So it often will take about a week from when you actually set up a new neuron to start getting any maturity. But from there, it will roll in on a consistent, regular basis. And you don't need to like micromanage this and check it every day, but you can check your participation rate up here. You can see all Lorimer's cast all the votes between me and whatever I voted on manually and him. You can see your participation rate, and this means you're getting 100% of your rewards here. So you all asked me for an ICP staking tutorial. This is it. Maybe I'll do a more advanced one in the old SNS at some point. Thanks for watching this. If you want help, I'm here for you, jerrybanfield.com. Go grab a call, get on Zoom, grab your computer, and get ready, and we can walk through all this stuff. We can also film a video together. I got 6 YouTube channels. You want to talk with me about dating or just almost anything, pop on here. And I read all the YouTube comments. Thanks for watching. I would like your feedback. I'm thinking of adding a membership to my YouTube channel. Like Blockchain Pill just added one. I just joined his. Bobby O has one. I joined his right when he launched it. And I'm thinking maybe I could have like a members only video every week. And then some of the videos that are old and not getting views, I could put them in members only as well. Let me know if you think a members only adding a members option, doing like an exclusive members only video would be something worth doing. And let me know what price you think would be good for that, whether it be like $5 or $9 or something small a month. All right, appreciate you making it to end. Hope to see you on another one.